Hello everyone. I'm making another video for someone who wanted to see how hard-boiled eggs are done. Very, very simple. Also, I'm answering a few questions or a few people that have asked a question as to whether I still have my WestBend4-Slice Breakfast Station, and I indeed do. Of course, it's a little tainted here and there with stains, but you know what? It's okay. It's used more than 3 times a week at least. I have 2 college boys and I have a daughter who's 15. We all use it. It's not something that sits on our countertop that is not productive. So with that said, I also want to mention that I am not a YouTuber. I'm just a mom who's at home, who does everything pretty much. So let's get started. Okay, so here we go. This is the toaster again. Okay, this is the heating tray, which obviously is attached to the toaster. You can't remove that. And here is the steamer tray. I'm utilizing 8 eggs today. You can use 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 8. And just, fix them. Underneath here in the heating tray, and let me take this off again so I can show you, I have used 4 tablespoons of water. 4 tablespoons is what you would use for 8. I'm going to take you to the book right now just to show you the times for the eggs. It's strange because the lower number of eggs you use, the more water that you add. So let's look at the directions here real quickly. As you can see, on the number of eggs side, I'm using 8, which means for hard-boiled eggs, it would be 4 tablespoons of water. And if you notice, it increases as the number of eggs decrease. So that's how that is. And do not mind the sound effects in the background. That is my dog. Okay, so let's get started. So I used 4 tablespoons of water. I'm just going to lift these up. I don't know if that makes a difference, but you never know. And I'm going to put the steamer lid on, and that's the only 2 things you're going to need are the steamer basket and the lid, and that's it. And then you go over here, and all you do is push the eggs down, and that's it. I believe that is completely all. It's so easy, and they will steam and be perfect. So we'll come right back after they're finished. I'm just about 30 seconds into it, but I wanted to show the steam starting, and also to say that I started this at 9:06 a.m. So we'll just kind of do a time on how long it will take, and I will let you know when I come back and when they are finished. Okay, everyone, so I started at 9:06 a.m. It is now 9:19 a.m. So it only took 13 minutes, which is actually a lot quicker than if I were to do this on the stove, at least the way that I do them. I put my eggs in a pot of cold water. Once it comes to a boil, which could take a few minutes depending on how cold my eggs are. Then once it comes to a boil, I take them off the stove, put a lid on them, and let them sit for 15 minutes. So we're looking at about a good 20-25 minutes sometimes to make egg salad. But this was only 13 minutes, and you have no pot cleanup. You can walk away. You don't have to worry about the stove. You don't have to worry about your little ones, if you have little ones, near the stove or leaving a stove unattended. So I'm going to take these off of here. I'm sure it's going to be hot and there's going to be some steam. And I'm going to rinse them off under cold water. As you can see, the water is gone, and it did, produce some burntness there, I guess, from the water, but that's easily cleaned up. As you could see when I originally did these, it's just a wipe thing. So let me get these rinsed off, and then I'll be back to show you how good it performs. Okay, see you in a minute. As you can see, I placed them in water. One of them, I believe it may be, one of these eggs had like a little crack in it, which is there. but, you know, it shouldn't be a problem. But we're just going to take it and break it open. Doing it with one hand can be a little bit difficult, but it's okay. We're just going to see how it looks. Peel's really nice too. I'm impressed with the peeling of it. And I'm doing this with one hand, so. I apologize for my video. I'm actually using my iPhone to videotape. So let's get a knife and just check the inside of it. Perfect. Look at that. That is really, really good. I'm really impressed. It didn't overcook them, and it didn't undercook them. It cooked them perfect. And again, you know, I mean, this machine seeks to amaze me all the time. The WestBend4-Slice Breakfast Station. And there you have it. Looks good, still works, and makes excellent eggs. Hope I helped you guys make a decision on whether to get one, or and also how to actually make them. So if there's any other video you want me to do, let me know, and I'll be glad to do it. Thank you. Have a great day.